Todd and I have come to a place that we've been to many times to fly our drones, especially the first time. It's out of New Albany, Ohio, and it's at Bevelheimer Park, which is the main buildings right back here. A lot of athletic fields around. But one thing we've overlooked actually was probably one of the most picturesque things and maybe photogenic things is this barn right behind us here. So he's going to put his drone up. I'm going to do some still shots. We're going to try to get some nice things taken of this old barn here. Doesn't look to be in use anymore, but it's got a nice slate roof on it. Let's see what we can get. Got an ND8 filter on it because it's kind of sunny, but it's kind of enabling me to I don't have much battery here. Well, it's going to be a short flight. Alright, Todd, what were you going for your flight there? He's a little cold.
Windy.
Yeah, it's windy.
It's I just got some low level. I was up maybe only about 40 feet, 30 feet, and using the trees to frame the subject and just kind of getting that parallax kind of movement, you know.
Parallax.
So yeah.
Definition here.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, just get that foreground movement and focusing on the background, doing some reveals, all that kind of stuff. It's just we just came out here to practice. I haven't flown the drone like for such a long time, so
good to keep your skills up. I was trying some panoramic techniques, putting the camera vertical, shooting left to right, number of pictures. Time to go home and stitch it up and have you guys look at it. Here's what we had.